Petty fam, we're back with another video. God bless Claire. I mean, wow. This is so sad. I hope he feels better soon. But we're doing ending the year with COVID. SM shaking my head. Clarence NYC. Get better, Claire. Aw, poor thing. You know he don't like to be sick.
He's doing that dance I did on TikTok. He's like, oh God, if I got COVID, this is how I'm saying what up to niggas. It's the moment of truth, yeah. Our results are in.
Claire! Oh my gosh. Poor thing.
What up, gang? It's your boy. I hope everybody doing alright, doing good after Christmas and stuff. About to have a good New Year's. A lot of y'all already know, but I haven't been feeling well since yesterday. I haven't been feeling well, and like it's a difference between like not feeling well, like being sick, and like there's something wrong. There's something wrong. Honestly, I think I might have the Marion. I think I got the Marion. I don't know how. I haven't went anywhere since being back from Mexico. All I did was some Christmas shopping, picked up some packages. That's all I've done. I haven't went to no parties. I haven't chilled with no friends. I haven't seen Mod. Mod think he got the COVID too, but I haven't seen him in about.
Oh, poor Mod. You can see he kind of look a little like he glistening a little bit. He look a little sweaty. Poor thing. God bless him and Mod.
So it's like I don't know where I would get this from, but y'all see where I'm at. Let me show y'all where I'm at right now. Back in the basement, y'all. This is where I be at all day, and then at night I sleep upstairs because this is very uncomfortable. But me and Queen haven't slept together, just in case, because I don't want her to catch COVID too, because if we both catch COVID, it's a big problem. I don't know if y'all can see me, but like I'm burning up right now. I'm sweating, bro. Yeah, but I'm so hot, yo, bro. At night, I be sweating crazy. Like, I gotta put on 3 different outfits at night because I'm sweating through them. Every time I put it on, an hour later, I wake up sweat, busting through the seams. I'm talking about my shirt. Feel like I just got out of the wash. Like, that's exactly how it feels. It's like damp. I just hate that feeling, bro. I hate that feeling. I feel like something's wrong. You know what I'm saying? There's a difference. Like, I was sick on tour, and when I get sick, there's a difference. Like, I feel crazy. And like, usually when I get sick or a cold, bro, what is up with this fucking lighting, bro? Yeah, but when I'm sleeping, bro, like just last night, I've only been sick for like 1 day, but bro, last night, bro, I had to switch. Well, how many? Bro, 3. I had to switch 3 outfits, bro. Cause like it'll be drenched, bro. I'm talking about my shirt. Look like I just finished playing a full game of basketball, bro. This is a horrible feeling, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I thought this shit was like a joke. Like even right now, me talking too much, like it's causing me to breathe heavy. Like my chest is real tight. My throat don't hurt. I don't got a runny nose, nothing. Like I'm just sick, bro. That's how I know there's something wrong.
Oh my gosh, are you drinking enough water? Claire? Did he go to a doctor? Bruh. What your mama say to do? Like, get you some soup and stuff. Oh my gosh. I'm glad he isolating himself from Queen though, because like he said, Queen got a lot of stuff going on. She getting the album going. She recording. Not to mention the kids, you know. But I'm glad he has a room that he could just be in. But oh my gosh, I hope you're getting like cases of water. You losing that much sweat, you need some water.
So yeah, like 2 or 3, I'm gonna get tested. See what's up. See if I got it. Because since I've been feeling like this, I like quarantine myself. Because I don't want to. You know, we got kids. I don't want to give Legend that. CJ's not here, but I don't want to give Legend the vid. You know what I'm saying? Because honestly, I thought this shit was like just a joke. Not a joke, but I knew it was serious. But like, I just didn't know how it felt, because I seen Queen had it. Queen had it, I think, for a bit. She really ain't go through nothing. Like, she ain't really had, like, nothing. It was like nothing. Like, you know what I mean? Like, nothing happened. But now that I have it, I think I have the Omarion. This shit is fucking dancing in my body. A lot of shit is dancing all over my body right now, because this shit hurts. I can see why this shit is dead serious. I can see why, like, if you're not healthy or you're a little older or a toddler or something, like, you can't handle this. That's why I quarantine myself. There's no way Legend can handle this. But my chest feels like my chest is on fire every time I talk. Please don't mind me, bro, because I'm out of it, bro. My chest is burning, my back is aching, my body is aching for no reason. I haven't played no basketball, no nothing, bro. I'm just, energy's low, everything, bro. And I'm wild bored. I just been down here. So I decided to just make this video, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I don't have COVID, man. So praying hands in the chat, man. Not in the chat, praying hands in the comment section. I hope it's not, man, because then I'm gonna have to quarantine and be away from my family. You know what I'm saying? That shit's gonna be difficult as hell, but yeah. I guess we're gonna turn on, it's already, what time is it? It's like 1:30 right now, so the lady gets here like 2:33. She's gonna test me. I probably won't record it, because that's gonna be weird. But I definitely record me getting the results for y'all. I should have them like a little after she leaves, maybe a few hours later. But yeah, man, this is my just updating y'all. I was supposed to come back from Christmas back to work, bro. Immediately felt like shit, bro. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna turn on the camera when I get these results. I also, damn, bro, I was supposed to go pick up Queen package today. But what else I got her for Christmas? Because I got her a couple things to just get her closet started. But maybe I can still show you guys. I probably just can't go pick it up myself. I have somebody go pick it up. But make sure you stay tuned. Peace, love, and blessings, man. Bless everybody, man. This shit is in the air, bro. Please be careful.
Y'all be safe out there. God bless everybody. And we appreciate you. We love you dearly, Petty Fam, okay? And we love the Royalty Squad and all those other people too. Clare's people, you know, mine, them, everybody, the whole fam. But we really want everybody to be safe. So y'all do what y'all have to do to be safe. And we keep praying for everybody like Clare and Maud and Queen and the kids, CJ, Legend. Oh, jeez.
Just take precaution. Shit is serious though. Queen just brought me this caramel frap almond milk. Yeah, I don't know how much this shit bust right here. Hopefully this shit give me energy. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. What you got? Do I look f***ed up right now? Like, excuse my language, yo. Do I look like sick as hell right now? Like, does it look like I have the vid? Oh, that shit fire. Alright, but Queen just got here, y'all. She just brought back Starbucks, I think.
At least he got his sense of taste. That's good.
Got a dentist appointment, but I think the package is here. I'm gonna show you guys what I got her. Let's go right upstairs and get to it. Alright, y'all. I'm upstairs. I got my mask on.
Thank you for wearing your mask, Clare.
You know what I'm saying? Just being safe. But Queen's package is here. Are you ready to open your package?
Yes. I'm very ready.
Do you have
Glad she got her mask on too.
scissors? Because I'm out of breath.
Aww, babe, that's how I was.
I'm out of breath right now. I feel wild, out of shape. Like I just feel.
What did you do? Come up the stairs?
Yeah, I just came. I just walked up the stairs.
Aw. Let's see what you got for me. I'm actually excited because you got a good taste. As far as I know.
There might be like one thing in there for me.
Okay. Yeah, like how I was with the product.
I got some. I just got some shades for myself.
Shades?
Shades.
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 Shades. Yeah, that's what I said at first.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
So there's like a bunch of goodies in there.
Ooh.
You got some Skims. Do you have that color already? I know you got a lot of Skims now.
I don't, wait, what is this?
I think it's like a,
Shapewear.
what is it, like a tan or something?
Yeah, it looks tan. Lightweight shapewear. No, this is black.
Oh, black.
Cool. So my booty will pop through this. Yeah, my butt will pop through it. Right now, y'all, look
Bro,
like
what the hell are those? Why do you look so small?
Yeah, you got shapewear.
It's so funny when guys see all the things that ladies wear. They're like, what is that? What you gonna do with this?
What the fuck is that? What does she wear?
So, I got some leggings like this too, and it like, you kind of wear under things. Yeah, because I thought there was leggings too. What was this?
See?
Essence.
That's a Rick Owens dress.
Yeah, I see it right here. This gonna look real cute with my Rick Owens. Oh, this is cute.
Hopefully it fits you. Because the models all don't have no body, so it's like...
It fit, look. It's stretchy.
Okay.
It'll fit. My butt through here is gonna be crazy. My butt's gonna be really big in this dress.
Okay.
Do you want it to be really big?
Yeah.
Why you silly? Here's fire flower.
What brand is that?
Louisa Baloo.
Yeah. She's lit right now too. Their dresses are lit.
Louisa Baloo. This is cute. This is real.
You could do like heels or like stuff like, it's just very versatile.
I want to do a try on haul with this stuff. That'd be cute, right?
Yeah. You like that though?
Yeah, this is cute.
That was cute. I liked when she modeled it. That looked really nice.
Those, what's the names match it? Those shoes that you got me with the blue at the bottom. Or I have some other ones. This is cute. I want to try this stuff on though.
I think it's like Baloo.
What's Baloo?
Blue, not the brand. I think it was like
Louisa Baloo.
Yeah.
Thank you, babe.
What's that?
Ooh, this looks comfy already. I can tell. It looks comfy. This is Skims.
I'll be forgetting what I bought.
Oh, this is super comfy. I'm gonna go put this on right now.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Poor Claire. He is sick. Cause you hear him? He forgetting what he bought, and he had forgot. He repeating himself and stuff like that. He doesn't usually do that. Poor thing.
Sleepwear things. I be wanting to see you on certain things, you know.
You want to see
house.
me in this?
Yeah, and to go to bed, like you just lift it up. I gotta chill because I'm sick.
Right. You know.
But I thought of this stuff before I was sick, though. You know what I mean?
You want me to go to sleep and lift this up?
Yeah.
Is the camera on me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll keep that noted.
What is that?
This is...
Is that Skims too? Oh, that's not Skims.
Rick Owens. Okay, with the Rick Owens. I like that because I love my Rick Owens shoes.
Yeah, these are all things you can just wear with them.
Oh, the black one too.
Yeah. Just simple things.
Super cute.
You throw a jacket, a coat over that, or it's like...
And to be honest with you, this shapewear is going to help me a lot with that. Underneath. Because my butt, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want my cheeks to just be freely. I don't want free cheeks.
You don't want your shits to be wobbling?
My cheeks, now, it'll just keep it in place. Because, you know, girl got, you know, I got cellulite. You know, I got ripples and runs.
Ripples and runs.
It keeps it in place. Because it will jiggle. It's jello.
There's a couple more things in there. More Skims.
Black Skims. Okay. Oh.
Those look big as hell.
Comfy. What size are these? Medium.
Those look a little big.
I think they're supposed to be. And trust me, when I put them on, my butt's gonna go stupid. You wanna see my booty in it now?
Yeah, you can try them on.
It's just like the tees, right? You can't really get none. Thank you, babe. This is so essential to my new closet rebuild. My wardrobe rebuild. Oh, snaps.
Yeah, there's a bunch of just essential shit.
Super cute, but I think I ordered these.
I like that color.
You ordered them?
Maybe. Maybe a different color.
Yeah, I think that color's like top something.
Super cute. Yes, top. Oh, I seen some Balenciagas the same color. I should have got them. But you know I got the same ones as you now, right? The ones I got you for Christmas.
Oh, you bought them?
I like them. I tried them on. It was nice.
Yeah, they fire.
Ooh, the green. This is so cute.
Gonna be the shit.
Yeah, I'm about to try this stuff on. Thank you, babe.
Better?
This yours?
Nah, there's only like one thing in there for me. This is probably mine right now.
Yeah, the small shade.
Yeah.
I'm about to go play dress up after this. Well, after I cook.
What the hell is that?
Did you buy yourself a bear?
Oh no, that's yours. That's a bag.
This a bag?
Yeah.
This is cute.
I know, right? Okay.
Y'all know she like bears. Y'all remember back in the day, way back when they first started talking and she had her bear. She used to hug the bear all the time. I was just thinking about that the other day.
Oh, this is so cute.
They got a strap inside and shit, so.
This is so cute. What brand is this?
I'm not even sure.
Heaven by Marc Jacobs.
Marc Jacobs.
Oh, this is so cute. I love stuff like this. It really matches my personality.
Yeah. I figured you could go to like the studio with that and shit. Like, I know how you are.
Like this would be so cute with sweats too.
Yeah, a calm outfit.
Hold on, let me see this. I gotta see this with it. These are like little things on there. Hold on.
Chain strap.
Oh.
They got little charms on them.
Yeah, charms and stars. Cool. This is super cute. It's a two-headed bear.
Yeah. Little teddy bear.
That's super cute.
But they got charms all over the thing. Yeah, I thought you would love it.
Yeah, it's super cute. Oh, you're so cute. Thank you, babe. Wait, I put it on like this. Oh, wait a minute. Is this like it's a bag with a low-key could be a fanny?
Check that out, guys. You guys like that right there?
This is cute. I just got dumb tired out of nowhere. Sleepy.
That's the queen's kind of thing though. So he's real sweet because he gave her, you know, what she needed. Then he also gave her something she really likes because she loves bears and she likes bags. So that's cute.
Did you get me sick?
Yeah, why we gave that same face to each other like that? Because that sounds like me right now.
Oh my goodness. Lady come on, test.
I got a piece for myself right here.
What you got?
The Naija shades.
Oh, let me see. You love your black glasses.
Got to. But look at these. These are so fire. I had to.
All right, see? Clare is Petty Fam. He got his shades. He wearing shades for all of us. That's just like our signal, you know. But these, believe me, they are not Balenciaga.
All the gloss.
Try these. You know, I thought these was fire, right? Ooh.
Petty Fam, I got you. All right, there we go. I like it. I'm be with you. Hold on. I got you, Clare. Mask up. There we go, Petty Fam. Mask.
Look at this side.
Oh, the sides are dope.
They say Balenciaga on the side. Can y'all see that?
Yeah, now I see it.
Balenciaga. And they say it on both sides, so it's like...
Oh, you guys, not to interrupt you, but do you guys remember this? Do you remember this, babe?
I bought you that.
Yeah. The first birthday me and him spent together of mine. Thank you, babe. I really
I'm
appreciate
saying, you know, I gotta
could,
always spoil you with the...
I wish
And they still together. That's so sweet. She keep that dear. All the gifts that he gave her.
I could kiss you right
with
now.
the drip. Nah, you doing good. This is a party at Christmas. So.
Yeah, but I love this. This is so super cute. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Like, you can't see me. You can't see me. Oh, you gonna get my booty sick. I'm about to cook.
Alright, y'all. So now we got that over with.
Wait, let me see.
She wants some out of the back here.
Wait, I want to see myself, but what y'all think? Do I look cool? Yeah. Okay, bye, y'all.
Alright, so now that that's over, now the only thing we're waiting for is for me to get tested to see if I got the vid. If I got the Omarion.
You gonna get tested too, right?
But I feel, you're gonna get tested?
Yes.
But I feel like the Omarion is definitely dancing in my nervous system. He's definitely going crazy, right?
God bless you, Claire. God bless you, sweetheart.
In the critical areas, facts. He's doing that dance I did on TikTok. He's like, this kid is in my neural system, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all Queen's Christmas gifts extended version. Because a lot of her gifts didn't come, but these are just little shit that she could get right.
I'll wear it right now.
There's little shit that she could get right.
Look, this is how you wear it. This is gonna be so cute with the dresses and the Rick Owens boots. Or shoes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maria.
That's not funny.
She started dancing. She's too cute.
Because I'm battling that, right? I feel like I'm battling that. But yeah, this lady should be coming in no time. Get tested, get the results later on, and I'll keep y'all updated. Love y'all. Stay tuned.
Also, you guys, since we handed out Christmas gifts after Christmas, these are Clarence's boots.
She got the same pair too. Her pair came on Christmas Day.
Yeah, mine came before his because they had to make sure they authenticated.
Check me out though.
These are my babes.
Check me out. Do
We
y'all
both
like them?
We're gonna take a picture together, right?
Y'all fuck with them?
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Why are you pressing me like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna press you. Because we have to take matching pictures. Size 10, right, baby?
Yeah.
Sorry.
In there?
I'm trying to make sure. Okay, go ahead. Try to put it in. Yeah, those are pretty hard to put on here. Come in, little king.
Oh man, I got the energy for this.
Aww. Trust me, when I was putting lines on too, it was crazy. He's like an old blues man.
Oh my gosh. Claire? He is really sick. Oh my gosh. You should never have your man make no noise like that. You need to go lay down. Let the boots wait, sweetheart. They will be there when you feel better. Oh my gosh, Claire.
You good? They free? Yeah, them's dope. Yeah, I miss them. What? Oh God. Oh God. You okay? I'm so dramatic. I'm talking, oh God, oh God.
I'm like, oh God, too clean. Goodness. Poor Claire. Just walking down the hallway, he didn't feel good. Poor thing. Oh my God. Y'all pray for Claire, okay? Hey, prayers up, Claire. God bless you, sweetheart.
I feel like I have it. I got the alarm.
Yeah, cause you're sweating. Oh my God.
Keep the sweat on my forehead.
Babe, you got it, means I have it.
And I'm out of breath just putting on the boot.
Okay, it's time for you to lay down. Go lay down.
Yeah, I'm about to go back in my bed.
Go lay down.
On your defense assignment.
Oh yeah, so I was down here watching some TV,
Take your eye off of
and Queen bought me some. What is this?
Hot roast, gravy, and rice.
every possession counts. We can't just take the possession off.
I tried my hardest to get all the fat. I know you don't like fat. I really tried, but
Appreciate it. It's litty. Cause I'm starving. Yeah, I look crazy. I look sick. I want to be with you too.
you about to say something else.
And in you. It's you, man. I just don't want you to get sick. You gotta put that on. You gotta put some of that.
You know what? You're right, though. Y'all gotta be careful. So I'm glad that they're, just chilling for a second. At least till we find out if he's sick or not. Y'all be careful. Y'all live with each other. Y'all gonna see each other again soon. Like, y'all can't be playing with that. Y'all got kids and stuff. Or not to mention, you got us. We need y'all too. So we need y'all to be okay. And this ain't the way to start the year. So God bless y'all. Ooh, jeez.
Alright, I'll be back down. It's tough.
Are you okay?
I'm just tired. Like my feet hurt. It's been all day. Okay, I love you.
Love you too. Thank you for I needed this.
Okay. Like it. Text me.
Alright. If I got COVID, this is how I'm saying what up to niggas. Yo, what up? What up? What's good? What's good, King? Chillin'. Touch your leg. Touch your leg, yo. I'll let you. Peace. Bro, I ain't touching nobody ever again, man. I'm not even touching myself. Alright, y'all. I called Queen because I still haven't got an email, but Queen called them and they said that they sent the email out. I just can't find it. Oh, I look wild right now. Please don't mind me. I'm gonna just have to tell Queen to send it. Tell her to send it to Queen. Maybe I put the wrong email or something. It's the moment of truth, yeah. My results are in. I just need to see them now. For sure, I know something don't feel right. Like, I don't feel totally crazy, but I know something don't feel right. Moment of truth. Come on, baby. Don't let me have COVID, baby. Don't let me have COVID. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Damn. I can't get too excited. Ah, shit. Ah, suck it now. This should say positive, y'all. Hold on. Am I bugging? Am I tripping? I got fucking... Excuse my language. I got the old Marion, bro. Look at that, bro. Positive, bro. I'm about to be bored all fucking month, no? How long do I have to quarantine? Like, is it different? Is it still 15 days? I'm gonna have to call Queen. Damn. Yeah, let's call Queen real quick. Tell her.
Poor Claire. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I got the vid.
For real?
Mm-hmm. My shit positive. Now you're not gonna be able to see me for 2 months.
How do you have it? Me and Legend don't have it.
I gotta quarantine.
Man, you don't have to quarantine for 2 months.
I never even went anywhere.
You don't have to quarantine for 2 months.
That's what
Only
it,
I think 14 days.
I looked it up.
Huh?
That's what it said. It said 2 months.
No.
For the Marion.
Wait. No.
Nah, I'm fucking with you.
Not 2 months.
Like, I
Girl, I mean, Queen was about to lose her mind. Y'all started. She like 2 months. She said, She gonna throw a mask, gonna come down there. She ain't play with you. She said, give me a gas mask. I'm next to you.
don't know, like a week.
How the hell you catch COVID?
Bro, I don't know. I think I got the Marion.
You haven't been nowhere. I want to kiss you.
I knew there was something wrong, though.
I want to kiss you.
You got an air kiss. Or you got an emoji kiss me.
Dang, how you feel?
I'm just sweating. You see me?
Yes.
I'm sweating.
Aww. Do you need anything?
Not right now. But I was just letting you know that I got the vid, Mom. And I'm making this a video.
You gonna gonna tell everybody, the whole world, you got the Omarion?
Yeah.
Wait, but how do you know if it's the Omarion? What if it's just regular COVID?
That's just the new one that's coming out. You know, that's everywhere. Everybody's catching out.
Everybody got it. Everybody. Literally, I already had it, so I think that's why I don't have it. I'm probably immune to it.
I think it's in the air or something.
No, it can't be in the air. When you touch something, dang, babe, I don't get to get no. Dang.
It's tough. I know. Trust me, it's tough.
It's been a minute. Not that. I just miss you.
I miss you too, man. I'm gonna be down here.
I know,
but time to sleep.
I'm glad I didn't sleep with you last night.
I know. I knew there was something wrong, man. Yeah. But all right, babe. I'll just let you know.
Okay.
I'm gonna finish.
Let me know if you need something. You want some medicine?
No, I'm okay.
All right. I'm gonna finish cleaning this kitchen. All right.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna end this video here, man. It's fucking damn. Yo, just make sure y'all pray for me. Keep me in prayer, man. I should be alright, but just pray for me, man. Make sure everything good, though. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all next video, gang. Be sick, but now I'm okay. Look at my wrist.